It's Mark. Um, with the new ROIL style moves, where we move right, left, transform over, out, in, transform back, it occurred to me that I might have an easier time trying to take on the three-layer cubes, the flatland 3 to the 3 and the physical 3 to the 4. So here's the flatland 3 to the 3 in a solved cube position. It's actually not my usual starting position. I have red front, green left, white top. So here's my right face, my left face, and my mid face oriented around it with a left-handedness, basically. Um, this could actually be mirrored, but I've chosen to use a left-handed workspace. And as you can see, I've written six little squares onto my workspace so that I can be less confused. The O face, when we're oriented around it, goes here. L, I, R, M sub L, and M sub I. So right now we have L, R, and M sub L, which is the mid-slice in between right and left, but we've oriented it so that we're turning it in the same direction that we turn the L face. So this twist would be a counterclockwise twist because you can look at it from the L face, basically. I put 9 black, no color sort of placeholder pieces in there so that these slices all look the same. But I could just pick up those black pieces and have this be a hollow ring around this M sub L square, and that might make a lot of sense too. But I'm going to stick with with keeping these 9 black, no color placeholder stickers up there on my mid slices for now. So this is oriented around L, R, and M sub L. So an an R move, turning the R clockwise, would be like so. So now on the front, we have 3 reds, 3 reds, and 3 yellows, etc. R prime, R counterclockwise. Now let's make a clockwise U face move. Now, since we're in flatland, we don't understand what up or down are, so we've placed the U face on the in dimension and the O face on the out, which I've sort of oriented left-handed over here. I have the out square over here, so we're sort of going right, left, in, out, right, left, in, out. This is very similar to the ROIL moveset I've just described, where in order to transition from the RL orientation to the IO orientation, we take the end cap of the physical 2 to the 4 and we move it across. So this will be a little confusing, and maybe we'll talk about what this means later. But you could say that that there are 2 places for these mid-slice stripes to live, because these are the in-slice pieces that are neither right nor left, and these are the out-slice pieces There's actually 3 pieces. Remember, these are stickers. This is a 2-color sticker, a 1-color sticker, a 2-color sticker. Now we're going to reorient around around in and out. Here, I'll undo that that move that we were intending to make, so that we can keep up with the fact that we're still in the standard position here, except that we have red front. We're still in the solved state. Now I'm going to reorient around the in and the out faces. I should move these pieces. So this is a piece, and I just sort of reorient it around. The in face. I should get in this habit of moving a piece at a time. So now here's our L stripe, and here's a stripe of. So this is the set of 3 L pieces that are neither in nor out. The set of R pieces that are neither in nor out. Now I need to move this end cap around, which means I need to slide it all the way. I don't rotate it all. So that was moving the end cap from right to left. And now, nicely, we're oriented around O and I. I should, and part of that orientation is as I go ahead and slide these mid-slice pieces across, because now we're going to optionally be having the M sub I slice, the slice that is neither in nor out, and that moves in the same way that the in slice moves. So we were going to make a U turn, were we? There's a U, which means the I face goes clockwise. That looks pretty good. So now, for instance, our right face has blue down, which is out. Right face has left, right. Yes. This is the right side of the O face. It doesn't look like it, but you can see how it's this side is adjacent to the L. This side is adjacent to the R, since this is all a big torus. So the R face has, on its in, it has orange. On its mid oriented, so it has blue. Oh, somebody at the door. And on its out, this is the out part of the right face, it has blue dots.